Making your own face mask sounds pretty cool. And Sydney made me buy this. So let's make a face mask. I'm gonna make a sparkly one. I do not have a microwave. We're heating it up. Okay, now we pour the water. Oh my god. And we add the glitter. Now I'm gonna add the peptide. And we're gonna turn it on. Hoping for the best. I do not know how long is this supposed to be on. I sure hope that's enough. Looks sparkly. And now we're gonna pour it into the mold. It is in the fridge. I guess it was successful, but I'll put it on before I go to sleep, so see you then. Okay, so a few hours ago, we made a face mask, and now let's see how it turned out. Oh, here you are. Ta-da! Honestly, it looks disgusting. Time for it, the headband. Don't you dare make fun of my headband. I'm just gonna take this off. And my makeup. I am now ready for the mask. I don't know if I can get it out, but let's stay hopeful. Oh my god. Honestly, this mask is a little terrifying. Like, oh my god. And I have this dangly thing here. This, could have been better. But honestly, guys, this is nightmare fuel. Give me ideas of what I should put in the next one. And I just hope it doesn't look like this on my face. And also, I got this amazing reaction to this lip balm. Let's hope it goes away. You guys know I'm really into skincare and I've been seeing a lot of people making their own homemade face masks. So today we're gonna try and make our own face mask. Also, today we're gonna have some help. The Foreo Imagination DIY Mask Base. All we have to do is come up with the ingredients we want to put in the face mask, mix the natural ingredients with a teaspoon of Foreo Imagination Mask Base. I'm gonna see what I have in the kitchen and we're gonna mix it right up. I already moved my hair out of the way because, you know, I was about to dip it into something. So first we mix the natural ingredients. I decided to go with homemade honey, some coffee, because then we can actually use our mask as a peeling when we take it off as well. Multitasking, people. And also we are going to use some cinnamon. This already sounds like a really good cake. First I'm going to be going in with the honey. After the coffee I'm adding some cinnamon. Mix it up a little bit. This is the consistency. And now in the end, some coffee and mix it up really, really well. And in the end, a teaspoon of the Foreo Imagination Mask Base. Just a little bit. It is gonna be a lot easier to put it on your face this way. I'm just gonna pop it in my skincare fridge for 20 minutes. Get it nice and cold and then we're gonna put it on our face. However, you don't have to wait. The tryout is posted on Foreo's page right now, so go and...
Did somebody say eyeball face mask? Run it! Let's turn it on. Oh, look over here. Whoa, that's so weird. Now I'm just laying out some eyeballs. Perfect! Let's turn this off. Dump it in. I'm gonna let her cool, and then we're gonna try it. Let's try it. Oh! Oh, the eyeballs fell out. Did somebody say eyeball face mask? Run it! Let's turn it on. Oh, look over here. Whoa, that's so weird. Now I'm just laying out some eyeballs. Perfect! Let's turn this off. Dump it in. I'm gonna let her cool, and then we're gonna try it. Let's try it. Oh! Oh, the eyeballs fell out.
We made a glitter face mask and it looked horrible. So now let's try and make a coffee face mask. Here's our little machine. I'm using a blend of roast and ground coffee. Here we also have the jezva. It is done. Okay, so I am supposed to mix it with water. At least I think so. Look at it spin. Okay, but I'm gonna make myself some coffee as well. Okay, I mixed the coffee and the water. Turn it on. And the peptide. Now we wait. I think it's done. Ooh. It actually filled out the whole mold. I'm so proud of you. I'm gonna give it a moment to solidify and I'm gonna go to the beach. And when I get back, we're gonna try the mask. Fingers crossed. We made a coffee face mask and now it's time to see how it turned out. I think this one is actually good, you guys. Excited. I did put it in the fridge. It feels better when it's cold. This one actually looks so good. By the way, I decided her name is going to be Helga. She just looks like a Helga to me. Please, let's ignore the fact that this is so dirty. Okay, let's get Helga out of there. Oh my, come on, Helga, you gotta get out. Oh my god, no, 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 no. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Wait, but it looks so good. And it smells like coffee. I do have to hold it up because it's slipping off my face. I'm actually proud of myself with this one because it turned out really good. Absolutely love how jiggly it is. Oh my god. We're gonna leave Helga on for 15 minutes. And goodbye, Helga. And thank you for the good times.
Can you do a slime face mask? Like this video right now to give me good luck. I think I'm gonna mix this Nickelodeon slime with this Goofy slime. This one is really like liquid and this one's a lot more solid. Okay, let's dump in some gooey slime. Then we're gonna put in some of this slime. Now we're mixing those together. Warning, keep away from heat. Let's put it in the microwave. Now we're gonna dump it into the blender. Attempt to turn that on. Now we're gonna dump it into the mold. Now I'm just patting that in so it fills up the whole mold while leaving like the eyes open. So this is what it looks like and I'm gonna let it sit and then we're gonna try it on my face. I just put it in the fridge. Let's try it. Oh my gosh.
Coffee, and now you guys are asking, can we make a honey face mask? I have no idea, but we're gonna have to try. You can't just put honey on your face, but it's just not for me. It's too sticky. So we're on a mission. That was a bit aggressive. See, I do have a kettle. Is that even a kettle? Someone please let me know. I have leftover honey from when I froze it. Not me being resourceful. I decided I wanted to be pretty and have glitter as well. So I have a few glitters prepared and I also have these gold flakes. Here it is, the star of the show. Adding some water. Mix it in. I want more honey. And let's start. Looking good. And here she is. The mask is in the fridge. Part 2 in about an hour when it solidifies. Welcome to part 2 of us making a honey face mask. For the bunny headband. Let's see our mask. Oh, look at her shining on the soy milk. Let's go, baby. Wow, she is pretty. Taking the makeup off. Let's go. I hope the mask leaves little sparkles on my face. And here she is. Name suggestions down below. I feel like she's a Doris. Let's free Doris. Oh, come on. Doris just plays too much. And... okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, go off, Doris. She did end up losing a piece of her face. It tastes like honey. Too bad I can't eat this though. Look, okay, it's a little bit of nightmare fuel. Okay. And if I go like this, she's gonna fall off my face. I'm gonna wear it for 15 minutes. My skin has little sparkles on it. Bye bye, Doris. Rest in peace.